This is Master Chef Siddharth Talwar from Master Chef India Season 5, and today we are here to check on a product which I have had for the last 5 long years, and that product is the juicer mixer grinder, a beautiful kitchen tool or equipment from Hamilton Beach, India. Since I've had this product for the last 5 years, I've used it extensively. बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने इसको use किया, and I've found this product to be a beautiful kitchen tool and a kitchen equipment जिसने मेरी सारी की सारी problems solve कर दी. Right from mixing to grinding to pulsing to making a juice to making your lassis and chaat, and in fact to the extent grinding the hardest ingredient like sukhi haldi, this has been absolutely powerful and useful. Let me tell you, this comes absolutely great with a 1400 watt energy, and the RPM ranges right from 3000 up to 18,000. This has amazing preset menus. The preset menus are absolutely so convenient that they totally do your job or make your job absolutely simple and life easy. So first things first, let's look at the main unit, the main body, the heart of this entire mixer grinder. इसके सारे functions आपके सामने हैं. The first thing is there's an on-off button here. The moment I switch it on, the lights come on, and then we have a jar. We in fact get 3 jars, which I'll show later. We just have to put this jar easy on top of the mixer grinder and rotate it till it locks. It's got a beautiful lid system. The lid system is absolutely fantastic. All you have to do is just place the lid here, very easy, and then these 2 locks. Simple. It's totally locked. Now we have a pulse function. So grind as long as you want, pulse it as long as you want. Just pulse it, leave it, pulse it, leave it. Then you have a start stop button where you press the start, it starts rolling, and after rolling right from 3000 RPM you can increase the RPM up to 18,000 RPM. And then finally the stop button. So it's a very easy to operate mixer grinder, and it comes with jar number 1, then you have another jar number 2, and you have another jar number 3. Different sizes, 0.5 liters up to the maximum size. These 3 jars along with the heart of the mixer grinder, it makes it a perfect equipment to use. So in this mixer grinder we have a manual mode, and then we have a preset mode. Manual मैंने आपको करके दिखा दिया how it works. Now when we need the preset mode, it has a lot of functionalities. We just have to press the preset. In this we have a dry mode, a wet hard, a wet soft, soup, and blend. And of course with this we need to understand that we need to grind it coarse, medium, or fine. So in the dry we go for dry items, wet hard, wet items को hard grinding, wet soft, soup, blend. And in this, when we say blend or we say soup, it says partial or full. You need to make a full soup, just put it down full, and it will give you a nice piping hot soup, absolutely ready to consume. सबसे पहले we'd like to try the dry haldi, which is the toughest ingredient to grind. ये हमने सूखी हुई dry haldi इसके अंदर डाल दी. All we have to do is press in the lid and then lock the lid. Lid locked, you'll get a sign of 0, and we just press start stop. So now all we have to do is set the preset. ये हमने preset को दबा दिया. इसके अंदर dry, and we'll get this to fine and start. So 1.5 minute निकल चुका है, 1.5 minutes have passed, and this is stopped automatically. The preset menu is stopped. And now we will just open the lock with your thumb, press the lid upwards, easy to take it out, and let's see, our beautiful haldi is absolutely ready. And ये देखें आप, wow, the toughest ingredient is totally ground. इसके अंदर हो सकता है एक आध पीस कोई रह जाए, but that you can just manually take it out. But look at this haldi powder, it's absolutely brilliant. Perfectly ground, nice haldi is ready. So I put all my soup ingredients inside the jar, and I preset the menu on soup and full. Partial नहीं रखना, full रखना है, so that my hot soup is ready. Let's start. So it's been 6 minutes. My mixer has been rolling, and इसकी lid को हम आराम से एक thumb से ऊपर करते हैं. And look at that. My hot soup is absolutely ready and good to go. Wow, look at that. So not bad. 5 years, 5 साल के बाद भी this mixer grinder is performing absolutely as good as new. Na dent, na scratch. The metals used for the jars, amazing. The body, outstanding, which is the heart of the mixer grinder. Everything is perfect and is in perfection. मुझे शायद अगले 5 साल तक अपना मिक्सर ग्राइंडर चेंज करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग हैमिल्टन बीच इंडिया द जूसर मिक्सर ग्राइंडर, जो मेरे किचन की शान है. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अ ब्रिलियंट प्रोडक्ट एंड आई ट्रूली हाईली रिकमेंड. प्लीज गो गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट. स्मॉल मिक्सर ग्राइंडर्स विच डू नॉट लास्ट वेरी लॉन्ग, ब्लेड्स खराब हो जाते हैं, नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट, नथिंग टू बॉदर अबाउट. द प्रीसेट मेन्यूज, headache gone. I think for the next 5 years I am happy and I'm good with this Hamilton Beach India. What will happen after 5 years? Yes, you got it. I'll get a new Hamilton Beach India if required. Look forward, see you again, and Jai Hind.